Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through beta testing. Okay, so first we discussed about alpha testing, right? I hope everyone remembers that. So I have indicated here also. So alpha testing is done in the environment of the company and the developer. Okay, so beta testing. So beta testing is quite opposite for this. Okay, sorry for that. During beta testing, the product is delivered to the user. So they will be releasing or they will be delivering it to the user. Here in the absence of software engineer, remember that it is not in the environment of software engineer, as well as it is not in the environment of the company. So the product is tested and a report is prepared by the users. Okay. So the report contains details of difficulties faced by the users during the product operation. Okay. So basically these beta testers or beta testing is done completely from the user end, guys. So you can also become a beta tester for WhatsApp. You can apply for it, and if you got approval, you can download the app before the release of the official updates. So you will be getting a beta version. Like that is nothing but before the release you will be getting a version in which you can test and see what are the things. So if you don't like some things, you can report it to them. So if many users reported the same issues, they will be resolving them and they will be considering each and everything, guys. Okay. Okay, you need to remember two things in this also. So it is completely opposite. That is nothing but not inside the company and not in the presence of developer. And they will be generating some reports to show the results. Okay, so that is the main concept of beta testing. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about alpha testing and beta testing. So in the next lecture, we'll be seeing the differences between them. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.